So Imran here from Focus Interim. Want to tell you about a really meaty interim operations role that's come in. There's been a few operations roles coming to the surface more recently now, and this is a very exciting one. It's certainly, I think, one of the most, challenging roles that I've had in for quite a while. This team are really looking for somebody to come in and continue their process of driving innovation through their culture. They are really evolving at the moment, so a brilliant time to join this business and help them with that evolution process and really engage with the factory teams and help them to think in a more creative way. You need to be a lateral thinker, somebody who can think very, very quickly on your feet and be able to make decisions pragmatically, but also bringing other people with you. And again, just can't emphasise enough that need to engage with the factory team and make sure that they are changing their view of looking at things. So not, well, that's not worked, we've tried that before, but how can we make this work, and to be a little bit more creative. So there's a couple of pieces here. There's the lateral thinking and being more innovative and driving that culture. As with all interim operations role at the senior level, it's about managing those variances and improving them and driving them forward. Need somebody who's worked in short shelf life food production simply because of the pace. This business, as mentioned previously, very exciting time for them. Seen fantastic growth recently, and that's definitely set to continue. They've got very strong and long-term relationships with the retailers. So perfect business for an interim who has, I think, good experience of being a professional interim. You would struggle if you had been made redundant in a senior job and you'd not done interim before, I think, just because of the pace that's required. So for an interim professional, really, what's it going to do for you? Great opportunity to work with a business who are going through change, make your mark, great exposure to the board in this one. Join them at a time of evolution. It's an exciting and challenging assignment. It's not a can you come in and just do the caretaking role and keep the ship afloat. This is one where there is actually going to be challenges that are different, and a chance, I think, to really show your flair if you do have that more sort of creative and innovative style. And the recruiting manager is definitely looking for high energy individuals. I think because of what's required, it's a heavy workload, but I think to fit in with their culture as well, you need to be an optimistic, positive, high energy person. If you're interested, you can contact me via email, any questions, or your CV to sarah.moran@fncl.co.uk, and you need to quote reference 8387. Look forward to hearing from you.